Hello, I'm Kate Doubleday from the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, and welcome to our introduction to the Sienna tutorial YouTube series. So Sienna is an open source ecosystem for power system modeling, simulation, and optimization. It includes three core applications, Sienna Data, Sienna Ops, and Sienna Dyne, which were each developed to support modeling with large shares of inverter-based resources, such as wind and solar. So Sienna Data enables efficient input of power systems data, including from common formats such as map power and PSSE. Sienna Ops enables system scheduling simulations by formulating and solving optimization problems like unit commitment, dispatch, and optimal power flow, and enables sequential optimization simulations for production cost modeling. Sienna Dyne enables system transient analysis, including small signal stability and full system dynamic simulations, suitable to represent electromagnetic transients. If you are unfamiliar with Sienna, please check out our homepage, which is linked in the description and in our YouTube channel profile. If you are trying to figure out if Sienna is the right tool for you, please also first take a look at our Sienna Examples YouTube playlist. So these three core applications in Sienna are written in the Julia programming language, and they are combinations of different Julia packages, such as powersystems.jl, powergraphics.jl, etc. For more on the documentation for these individual packages, please see the links in the video description below. So the purpose of this tutorial is to introduce our new users to these three core applications and familiarity with the specific syntax within each of these Julia packages. The goal here is to show new users the key steps to build their own model in Sienna through two different types of episodes. Episodes that show a general overview of the Sienna application structure, and then some episodes that show examples of key steps, including code, common pitfalls, and how to debug. We are not including in this tutorial an introduction to Julia. So if you're not familiar with the Julia programming language yet, please take a look at some Julia tutorials that are linked in the description below. These tutorials include other YouTube videos as well as some code examples. It's also important to note that we will not be maintaining the scripts or making them publicly available that we show in this tutorial series. And that's just because that as Sienna continues to evolve, we expect the exact syntax might change. So to help with this, in each episode, we'll begin by calling two commands using package and package status, which will show the exact Julia packages and versions used in the episode. So if you see some discrepancy with what you're currently using, please take a look at the documentation and see how the exact syntax might have changed. The current plan is to share this schedule of episodes in the tutorial playlist. So you'll see that after this introductory video, we'll be going through a series of videos on how each application works, and then some specific code examples for key steps in developing your own model. Currently, the schedule focuses on Sienna Data and Sienna Ops, but in the future, this schedule might change as we add more videos on Sienna Dyne as well. So thank you. We hope that this series of tutorials is useful to you. If you have any questions, please take a look at our homepage as well as the GitHub repositories for each of the Julia packages. Join us on Slack, and if you have any questions, please email us at sienna@nrel.gov.